So the topic for today is challenges and opportunities in information systems. So we will discuss one by one what are the various challenges in the field of information system that are associated with, and after that we will discuss about various opportunities in the field of information systems. Okay, so first we will discuss about challenges. What are the major challenges? If you talk about challenges, so there are many more challenges that are associated with information system, but some challenges that I'm mentioning here are: first is workforce downsizing. What is workforce downsizing? Basically, to lay off people. Okay, just because you have adopted the information system, so you don't require now that traditional setup of generally clerks or office staff. So by that way, you will means these older practice will be uh, means uh, you may say that it is now एक तरीके से it is redundant now. So by that way you will lay off those people. Okay, so that is a major challenge associated with information system, that you will downsize the workforce. Okay, or you will lay off some people in terms of their traditional type of jobs. Okay, but there is an opportunity also, means by that way you may get a newer area, or you may get a newer opportunity in terms of job for those peoples. Okay, you may appoint these peoples with by training them and appointing them in place. Okay, so that may be a way to overcome this challenge. Okay, next is information overload. By information overload, what is information overload? Means sometimes we are getting too much information to deal with. Okay, so that is a major challenge in this information era or information system. While you deploying information system, you are getting a lot many information. Some are of use and some are of uh, no use, basically. Okay, so this is a major challenge, means you are getting extreme information, or you are getting some extra information that you don't want to uh, carry, basically. So that is a problem, is in that way you may get that information overload. So what is the mechanism to deal with this challenge? Okay, so by deploying a proper mechanism, is what is data set. Actually, data is if you are dealing with a numerous data, or means a heavy amount of data, so uh, by processing that data you will get a lot many information. Okay, so you need to decide what type of data you need to take in care, and what information you are required. Actually, uh, all information is not for all of the employee, basically. So you need to decide hierarchy. Okay, means what are the appropriate information that you need to pass to the higher level management, what are the appropriate information that you pass to the middle level management, and what are the information that you need to pass to operational managers, basically lower level managers. What are the information that you need to pass for other skilled, semi-skilled, and unskilled employees. Okay, so that you need to bifurcate over there. Okay, what are the major critical information, and what should be the frequency? You should appoint a communication manager also. Okay, that will deal basically what type of information should we should propagate to different set of hierarchy in an organization. Okay, so that is the way by which you may handle this type of situation, that is information overload. Okay. Next is employee mistrust. Okay, generally, this is a major challenge to deal with employees. Okay, actually, employees are working for you. Okay, and they generally work with trust. Okay, maintaining a trust. Generally, both the parties, employer and employee. Okay, they are developing their trust. Okay, so if you are going to adopt information system, so it may lead to employee mistrust. Okay, means employee will think that you are going to adopt such type of information to generally to fire these employees, okay, or to to lay off these employees, okay. So that is basically a basic reason behind this type of mistrust, okay. So you need to empower these employees and fit these employees, or in some other roles, or you need to decide a job responsibility for such type of employee. You need to ensure supervisory role of means by which way, or you may provide training to these people, okay. And job enrichment should be there, or job empowerment should be there to deal with such type of mistrust, okay. Next is difficult to build. That is major challenge in this field, information system. As I have told earlier, you need to follow a proper hierarchy to implement information system. Okay, so it is difficult to build. First, you need to identify what is major problem that for which you are going to adopt information system. Okay, after that you will check for the options alternatives, okay. And after that you will decide what would be the best solution, and after that you will implement it and maintain and review. So that is a difficult process, okay. If in any step you find means the if you find in any field or in any phase, if it is not means implemented properly, then it will lead to a problem. So you need to you need to be taken extra care while dealing with this information system implementation, okay. Next, and the major challenge is security breach. As you know that we are living in information age, and lot many competitors are there. So in that case, okay, competitors are trying to breach your security mechanism, or to find out the loopholes in your security mechanism, okay, so that they can easily know your data, okay, or information about your customers. So that is the major challenge, okay, nowadays. And even various types of attacks are there, okay. Some hackers crackers are there, some employee insider attack are there. So you need to be extra you need to be taken care some extra effort, okay, or you need to have some extra effort to deal such type of security breaches, okay. So these are the major challenges that you need to focus in the field of information system, okay. Now, if you talk about opportunities, so there are various opportunities in this field, information system. That's why we are implementing information system nowadays. Okay, so what are the various opportunities? First is enhanced global competitiveness. Okay, by implementing information system, basically, if you talk about this globalization era, so globalization era is just because of this information system, or IT, or internet basically, or second is strong logistics network, okay. So this is one of the enabler in this field, providing you globalization environment, providing your organization up to, or making your reach up to the global level. So enhanced global competitiveness, if you adopt information system on time or in proper way, you will get a global competitiveness, okay. You will make your company, or you will make your presence in global attire, or in global means context, okay. So that is opportunity, means it will enhance your global competitiveness, okay. Next is capture market opportunity. What is capture market opportunity? If you adopt information system, you will sense information on time. So by that case, you will capture market opportunity. Okay, deploy proper solution, deploy proper business strategy to deal with different types of competitors to in the business scenario. So that is basically capture the market opportunity, okay. Because we are living in information age, and in this era the major role is of information, okay. So by managing proper information, you may capture the market opportunity on time, okay. Next is support corporate strategy. It supports corporate strategy. It streamlines corporate strategy. It facilitates basically to build your corporate strategy, to draft, to revise your corporate strategy, as well as business strategy, as well as functional strategies. Okay, so that is basically opportunities of information system. By that way, you may draft, review, or reframe your strategy point. Okay, so that's why you need to deploy this information system. Next is enhance worker productivity. As I have told earlier, that the major challenge is workforce downsizing or employee mistrust. And if you are continuously train your employees, okay, and continuously making them much more productive than the previous one, so that will be the better way to deal with such type of challenges, workforce downsizing and employee mistrust. Okay, so by that way, you will improve the productivity of work, you will enhance their competitiveness, or you will enhance their roles and responsibility, you will enhance their skills. So these all will be opportunity for you, and these all will be uh, dealing with such type of challenges that you may face. Okay, next is, and the last one, last opportunity, as per these are some major opportunity, and lot many opportunities are also there associated with information system. So next major opportunity is improve the quality of goods and services. Okay, if you use proper information in terms, as I have told earlier, that earlier in car segment, in automobile segment, okay, people were focusing towards cost. Okay, because there was car loan in the range of 16 to 18%, but nowadays car loan you may get, means any person can get car loan in 6 to 8% interest rate. Okay, so their means prime focus has been shift towards safety or security or features, okay, in comparison to cost. Okay, so that's why you may improve quality of goods and services if you deploy proper information system. If you are updated, if you are having updated information, then only you may improve quality of your products as well as service, basically offerings to your customers. Okay, so these are some of the major challenges and opportunities associated with information system. Okay, if you are having any query or doubt regarding these 2 points, challenges and opportunities, you may ask. Thank you.